In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link PayPal to Zoho Books. By the end, you'll have your PayPal transactions flowing straight into your accounting, saving time and reducing manual entry. Start by opening your browser and going to books.zoho.com, then sign in to your Zoho Books account. Make sure you're in the correct organization if you manage more than one, and that you have permissions to connect bank feeds. Once you're in, head to the left sidebar and click Banking. This is where all your financial accounts live in Zoho Books. On the banking page, look for the option to add a new account and click Add Bank or Credit Card. This opens the connection flow for financial institutions supported by Zoho. You'll see a section for automatic bank feeds, which lets Zoho bring in transactions securely and continuously. Click Connect Now. If a confirmation or information screen appears explaining how feeds work, go ahead and click Proceed. This simply acknowledges that you're connecting a third-party account to enable automatic syncing. Next, use the search bar to find your provider. Type PayPal and wait for the results to load. If you see multiple PayPal options, choose the one that matches your region or the connector labeled for standard PayPal accounts. Then click PayPal to start the secure sign-in. A secure PayPal window will open. Sign in to your PayPal account using your usual login method. If you have two-factor authentication enabled, complete that step to verify it's really you. You may be asked to review and grant permission for Zoho Books to access your transaction data. This is required for the feed to work. When you're ready, click Submit or the on-screen confirmation to finalize the connection. After you submit, Zoho Books will attempt to link your PayPal account and establish the feed. This can take a moment. Once connected, you'll typically see your PayPal account appear in the banking module. Depending on your setup, Zoho may prompt you to confirm details like the account name or default currency. If prompted, review these so they match how you report in your books. From here, transactions will begin syncing into Zoho Books on a schedule. Keep an eye out for initial imports and note that PayPal fees may appear as separate lines or amounts. It's a good practice to review recent entries and reconcile them with your records to make sure everything lines up. That's it. Your PayPal account is now linked to Zoho Books and ready to keep your finances up to date automatically.